happen to have tossed your sunroof drain, we actually have come up with a piece in the kit that replaces the rear drain on the car. So here's your sunroof track and drain. That's the little bolt. This little screw here locks off this cable that you cut, and that keeps the sunroof right here from going up and down. And so this tray that's in the kit, this tray slides into the sunroof drain right here and slides forward, and then just use a little silicone or a little goop here, position it inside underneath your piece just like that, and the water will go into the drain. It will go into here, the outside drain, and it'll drain out the front. And then before you put your rear surround on, make sure you fill this with silicone, put a dam on here so that it can't leak out the back. So that's your sunroof drain. There's your part, and there's where it goes.